Hey, this video revolution is about how to tint the two front windows on a Jeep Wrangler. A lot of people will pull these panels. Some people will lift this up, pull the seals out. I prefer not to pull anything. I tape everything, and I'll just show you what I do. I bottom load them. I use my blade tool to do it, so we'll just show you what I do. Now I use this to pull the seal back, and I spray down below that sucker. That flushes anything out the way. And I'll rinse this off, which is the blade tool. I'll pull the seal back just a hair and just drop that right on in. Now I'm gonna bottom load this, but this is a little bit different bottom load than what you've normally seen me do. Alrighty. Now, one of the things that I'll do is I'm going to peel this clear liner off, but I'm only going to peel it right here. So, I'm just going to leave that right there. And you'll see why I'm leaving that there here in a second. So we're going to get behind that blade right there. I'm going to drop this down as far as we can. Alrighty. Now we're going to slide here. Get this up. Now the trick to bottom loading some of these windows is you want to cause a bow right here. Now that bow, it's going to get bigger and bigger as you push this bottom over to the side. You want that bow to meet right there in the corner. All right, so we still got to go just a little ways further. Okay, now there's that. Now here's the reason why I left this on, because while I was doing all that, this was touching. So that's why I left that on. We're gonna take that off. Spray right there real quick. And we're going to slide this over, continue dropping this film down and in. All right, pull that out. And we have an installed window with no trash. So let's just get it lined up. Gonna slide it, make sure everything's good. Tap it on up. All right, that's essentially how I tint these. I'll come back and I'll pull this off. We'll wipe the door panels off, clean everything, but that's essentially how I do it. Again, this video is how to tint the two front windows on a Jeep Wrangler, Rick Tallman style. See ya.